Yeah, so she played a joke on me. She told me that I have to wear the dress as well, and I almost believed it. Okay, so we're here at the Khottabong temple. This is a very, very popular temple here in Thakhek. And we're actually going to go into a cafe, and there's a river right next to us as well. So as you can see here, here is the temple. It's a pretty large area, and I've not been here, and I haven't been to the cafe as well. We have all these flowers over here in the temple. And we drop someone in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and pray. A lot of the temples, the women have to wear this right here. They call it sin. So the men don't have to, but you have to respect the traditions and stuff. Yeah. So she played a joke on me. She told me that I have to wear the dress as well, and I almost believed it. Yeah, she's about to joke and prank me. Oh, that's horrible. Alright, so here is the river next to the temple. And it's a really, really beautiful day. Check this out. Wow. It's really beautiful. No. Wow. Here at the coffee spot right next to the temple. Never tried it here before. It's right here near the river, so it's a really, really beautiful spot. So our coffee has come out here next to the river. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. It's a beautiful day today. The weather's really nice and cool. And having some coffee next to the temple is something that I've not experienced here in Laos. It is a unique experience.